Meaning of enrollee.
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 Enrollee. An enrollee is a person who has enrolled or registered for a course, program, or membership. This term is commonly used in the healthcare industry to refer to individuals who have enrolled in a health insurance plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. Enrollees are typically required to pay premiums and may receive benefits such as coverage for medical expenses or prescription drugs. In some cases, enrollees may also be required to meet certain eligibility criteria or participate in particular programs. Overall, enrollees are individuals who have voluntarily signed up for a particular service or program.